Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the $2 Viking cup. So why I call it the $2 Viking cup is we go from this into this here. We've got a nice Viking sitting on his throne, drinking a nice beverage there with a cool saying down below. I'll throw up a photo if this shows up backwards, just because I'm using the front camera today so I can line this up properly for you. And then I'm going to show you guys where to get these cups from, how to prepare them. I'll show you a print of it as well on the S1. This is the first engraving that we did on the S1 with the rotary tool. These are really nice cups. They're some solid metal, fully insulated. They do come with a logo on it. These come from Menards. It has Menards like heat adhesive logos on them. So what you need to do to prepare these things is you'll use a Brillo pad. I think this is called Scott's Brillo pad. It's like their brand. Get this nice and wet. It has like little aluminum in there, I think. And then you're going to lightly go over that logo until it's gone. It's going to dull it out a little bit. You can see how it shines here and then it's dull right here. But what you're going to do is you're going to use your S1 or whatever laser you have a rotary tool with. And then you're going to engrave right over the dull area. It'll blend in perfectly. You will not be able to see it. I cannot see this at all. I've given this cup to many people and asked them to see if they could find any dull spots. They could not. Turns out amazing, super cool. And these are on clearance, so just a heads up, these will be limited. But otherwise, they're $10. So if you want to do it without the clearance, you can do that too. But they don't come with any tops on them. But for $2, these are great for testing. And I just wanted to share it with you guys in the community. What you want to do after you engrave. So once you get it engraved like this here, it's going to look really dark. I'll go ahead and throw the settings that I use for the S1 on here. It'll probably be different for your laser unless you have an S1. But once it's really dark, what you want to do is you want to use some of these magic erasers here, or Mr. Clean erasers, and then you'll just wipe all the way over top of your engraving, and it'll give it that nice shine that you want, and it'll stand out a lot better. So that's pretty much it for preparing it. I'll go ahead and throw up a clip of this engraving on the S1 if you're interested in that. I'll go ahead and speed it up so you don't have to wait around the whole time for it. Other than that, if you make any cool cups like this, go ahead and tag me or let me know where I can see them. I'd love to see what you make with them. Like I said, they are really great for like testing purposes. But other than that, I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.